Everything litty, I love when it's hot.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know, now you know. It's Najalee here. So today is day 2 of my curly hair series. So if you didn't watch yesterday's video, what are you doing? Like, go back, like what, and then come back to this video, you know. But before we can even get started, like, are you subscribed? No?
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.
Lord, I'm gonna give you one second. All right, you guys better have been subscribed, because let me tell you, you guys really do not want to miss the rest of the series. And this has been so fun to film, because you know, this is what I do on a normal basis. It's good to be able to share with you guys, since you guys do want to know. And let me tell you guys, I only use 2 products. Yes, I only use 2 products. 2. But like last video, we're going to be counting which ones of these products are in the giveaway. So if you didn't know I had a giveaway going on, you can go check out my Instagram, which is going to be right there. That's where I promote all of my YouTube things. So don't forget to check that out. So we're just going to wet our hair a little bit more. I like my hair like not soaking wet, but soaking wet. Like, does that make sense? I don't want it dripping, but I like it to be wet. I feel like when your hair is dry and you put in all of your products, it becomes very difficult to like pass your brush or comb through. I don't know, that's just me. I don't like to do that. I feel like when I did do that before, it just gave me a lot of frizz, and we do not like frizz. Okay, so before we even get into what products I am using, I just want to let you guys know that there are a couple products that I have used in the past. Now, the reason I use these products was because it works the best for me. I feel like it really gives my hair volume. It really makes my hair smell so good. It defines my curls. But there's just one special thing that I use that you guys are gonna see really changes up my hair. Like, you guys see, like, my hair is not anything really special, although over time it does. If I didn't do anything to it, it would look like really nice still. But these products are really what I like to use. Okay, so if you didn't watch my last video, you really should check that out and then come back to this one. But I did explain how that process is basically setting the base for when I style my hair. Now, the products I'm going to be using simply cater to what I want to do to my hair. So I want to define my curls, I want it to be big, and I want it to be free of frizz, although frizz is inevitable. Let me tell you, it's inevitable. Like, you could try so hard and there's always going to be that little frizzy curl, like, but you guys know what I mean. So let's get on to it, and I just want to explain each product and why I use each product, because I got to tell you guys like why it's just so important. Okay, so the first product we're going to be using is the one, the only Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Now, if you don't know what this is, like, what, like, where have you been living? Because this is just so important. I feel like every curly girl uses this, because you know what, it's like so nourishing for your hair. It really defines your curls. It smells divine. The consistency is really nice too. I don't necessarily put my hair in a specific section like to apply product. I feel like that's really unnecessary for me, you know, because I do get in between all the sides of my hair. I do pass through the entirety of it, and I make sure to do so with both products, because I feel like that's really important. You have to go to every side of your hair. You should not ignore one part. So I feel like sectioning my hair just to apply product, that's not really what I want to do. And sometimes when I just wash my hair and go, so wash and go, I don't necessarily like doing all that. I just do this. It works amazing for me. Don't forget to touch up the top of your hair. And a very important step is to rake it through, so each curl has the product. No, we do not like those crunchy curls. Don't tell me anything. We do not like those. And then I'm going to be going in with a little bit more, but I'm only going to be focusing on my end. Oh, okay. So I'm going to be focusing on my ends. Okay. And then I'm like passing my hand through the other side as well, just so this side can get all of my like leftovers, you know. Like that's very important for all your hair to have that. So now we're done with this, although it's just an amazing product. Let me tell you guys, this one is worth the money. It says it has coconut oil, which hydrates and protects the hair while helping to reduce breakage. Now, if you actually want to know how I reduce my breakage, because as you saw in the last video, I had hair on my comb, like when I was combing out my hair, but let me tell you guys, that was nothing compared to how it was when I was transitioning. And this was one of the products that I used when I was transitioning, but I'm not going to say anything about that. You have to watch out for Friday's video, because that one I'm going to tell you all the tea, all of it. And it also has silk protein, which smooths hair for a soft silky feel. This one really does. My hair always feels nourished, and it's like super soft, and it looks like glossy even. So I feel like this one really speaks its word. And neem oil, which controls frizz while adding brilliant shine. Yes, it does. My frizz reduces so well when I'm using my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Let me tell you guys, we do not like frizz. If you like frizz, okay, I'm just gonna say okay, because I don't even know, but so good. Okay, so the next product that we're going to be using, I do not know if you guys have heard about this before, but if you don't know about this brand, it is so amazing. You guys should really look into this brand. Honestly, all their products smell good. The consistency is so good. They have a variety of products for different hair types, and I really like their gel as well. So without further ado, let me introduce my girl, Aunt Jackie. Aunt Jackie, what do you have to say to the people? Use me. So good. Literally, I just want to smell it, because this one, like, if you think that the Shea Moisture smells good, this one smells divine. Look at the consistency of that. It's kind of like a jelly, but like of a cream. So it's like so good. And don't let the purple like scare you. I can't get over it. I really can't get over it. So basically, let's read what it says on the back, because I want you guys to see what it says, what it promises, and how I feel about it. So it says unruly curls and coils. So right off the bat, you know that it's for my 3C hair, or people with 4C hair, you know, like for all of us. It's for all of us. Meet your match. Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. Curl La La delivers long-lasting control and definition to curls, waves, coils, frizzy hair, and braid outs. You see the variety of them? You see? This product literally can be used with any type of curly hair, which makes me so happy because I feel like everybody can use it, which is honestly something that's really relieving, because when you buy a product, when you see me do it, you guys are like, oh well, is this gonna work for my hair? Yes, it is gonna work for your hair. It literally says it on the bottle that it could be used for different types of hair, curls, coils, waves. Like, that's something that if a brand really promises that, is good. I know that I have a couple friends who use Aunt Jackie's and they love the product as well. They either have really tight curls or they have looser curls than me, and all around I see good results. I said this before, it was the Curl La La Defining Curls Custard by Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. So good. A lot of us curly girls use this brush, but I see everyone using this brush to detangle. So I tried it and I didn't like it. So I really like the brush and I liked how defined it leaves my hair, but I did not like how it would detangle because my knots were really rough. So I decided to use it as a styling brush instead, and I would try it out in different ways. And I like the method that I came up with now. I don't know if anybody else uses this. If you guys do, please give it some big thumbs up so I know you are a perfect curly girl, because it is a perfect method. But yes, let me show you guys my secret to those really cute curls. Let's see. Okay, y'all, so let me just make this introduction because it's very needed. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all the secret to the best curls. Dun, 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 dun. Welcome the Denman Brush. how beautiful. Now it may look like a normal brush, but it is not. It is not. Now before I even say anything, like every time I wash my hair, I like to clean it. Now if you don't know how to clean it, you simply just take this part out. So I push it on this side and I just push it away. So you see how it has that little clip? I take it away from it. I'm not gonna peel it off now, because I feel like if I peel it off now, then it's gonna be a hassle, but then it just slips out and you just push it back in when you're finished. But you open it up and all these bristles come out, so you do have to put them back in, but it is good to take them out because then you can clean the bottom part, which is like the dirtiest part. It takes out all the product. We do not like that one. When you're using this and you haven't washed it before, all the old products and buildup just goes back into your hair, and that's what we don't like. So you are able to take off all of the hair and the old products that you use. So this is just a clean brush. It is so convenient, honestly. It is what makes my hair look the way it is. So let's get on to it. So usually people just go like this, but no, that's not what I do. So what I do first is I'm just gonna flip my hair and have my head facing down and my hair at like a circle around me. So let's go. So I want you guys to notice the way I am just simply detangling my hair right now. And I know I said I don't detangle with my Denman brush, but really I don't. I just want it to be smooth for what I'm about to do. So I want you guys to notice the immediate results that come from passing the Denman brush over my hair. And what I really like to do, and this is literally my secret to my perfect ringlets, is continue over the strands of your hair, but at the ends curve it up because you will see definition. It forces the curl to make that beautiful ringlet that we all want. It is just a beautiful result, and you will see the results immediately. So I go over that throughout my whole hair once again, and I also look for curls that I don't see have that curl yet, so just to go back and make sure that it is the way I want it. And I literally take a lot of time to do so, and the result is literally perfect. Okay y'all, so that's the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, because I literally just showed you all of my tips and tricks to how I get these curls. Okay, so I'm going to be linking all the products that I use down below in the description box. If you do not read the description box, please go read the description box. It is the best box in the world. And turn on your post notifications, because you want to see the rest of my series, don't you? Yes you do want to check the rest of my series, so don't forget to go check that out, because let me tell you, it's going to be very, very interesting. I'm going to be continuing to tell you guys all of my tea, and don't forget to subscribe. Yep, you're subscribed, and give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment as well, because I really want to hear you guys' thoughts on this video. My routine will surprise you, will shock you, the fact that I use 2 products only. But without further ado, we're done here.